If Miami were a movie, Sunny Isles will be the billionaire's penthouse scene. Now, if you've never been here, let me set the scene for you. Atlantic Ocean in one side, Intracoastal in other, and right in the middle, stretch of sky high-rise towers that look like designed for superheroes and CEOs. They call it Florida Riviera, and once you're here, you will get it. It's laid back but upscale. Tropical but polished. You can walk everywhere, grab a coffee, stroll to the beach at sunrise, and be back on time for a sushi or the rooftop dinner. With ocean views is that rare mix of chill and world class. And when it's come to the food, you got everything. From cozy spots, Rose Cafe for brunch, or amazing sushi spot Hero, or fine dining in Il Malino inside of Acqualina. So whether you're in a flip-flop or dress for a date, you're good. You got everything right in the Sunny Isles. The vibe is here really special, relaxed but upscale. You will see families, retirees, international buyers, young professionals, all living side by side. It's clean, safe, and has a great schools and parks, which makes it super livable year-round. Now here's the fun fact. Sunny Isles wasn't always like this. A while back, it was just open land, boring, quiet. It was very local and used to call North Miami Beach. Now look at this, full of some of the most iconic towers in the world. You got the Porsche design tower, Jade signature. Sunny Isles, no more strangers to the luxury. You got Acqualina Residences right over here. It's coming in 2 years. And you can park your car next to your living room. And then there's Sunrages. It's the signature 5-star service, plus you got elegant residences. If you're looking for something, it's already ready, it's already iconic, and it's already feels like private resort. Let me show you the estates of Acqualina. Alright, so you know how some buildings are buildings and some are brands? This is Acqualina. And if you've ever been in Miami more than just 5 minutes, you already know what I am talking about. It's not just high-end, it's the next level. You got 5-star service, iconic design, and next level of amenities. Plus, and you got all yours. It's not where you stay, it's where you live. Wallet yours your name, concierge know your favorite drink and your dog's birthday. They probably know that too. So today we are getting the whole tour, what's going on inside of Acqualina. Today, I'm gonna show you 9.2 million what gets inside of Acqualina Estates. Let's go to check it out. Welcome to your dream home. It's 4 bedroom, 5.5 baths, over 4,400 square foot, and it's absolutely stunning. So the flooring is here all Italian marble, and then I like the idea of they keep the color palette so soft, minimal, and of course it's giving the luxury vibe. And right here you got your fireplace, and even in Miami, maybe you need one day. And when we move to this area, actually I want to mention, if you like martini, why not? You can make your espresso martini to your friends. You can chill, entertain them. The second you walk in, space just opens up. You got high ceilings. This really clean, open layout, and everything is floor to high ceilings, across the back. And then you got Atlantic Ocean right there. Full panoramic views, no obstruction, just endless blue. So maybe after your martini, you just stroll to the kitchen. You got this gorgeous kitchen, guys. Look at this, all Italian marble. I hope I pronounced right. Cornue gas range. This is handmade from France. And basically they just made this gas range for this unit specifically. So if you know, this is the Ferrari of the ovens. And you got here massive island. You can prep dinners, wine nights with your friends, or therapy session with the girls. Kitchen can handle all of it. And you got everything, of course, is top of the top line, Sub-Zero appliance. The kitchen, the vibe is kind of feeling to cook something, even you have no idea about cooking. So, and let's see what's going on here. You got here actually a huge fridge. And moving here, you got the beverage fridge as well, if you want to keep your drinks cold and chill. Moving here, you got more like casual dining area. It's like you can start your day here with your coffee or breakfast. But I would love to mention this. You got the 5-star hotel review right in front of you. So you will never be bored in this apartment. And moving in this like middle of the house, you got more formal dining area. It's bigger than, of course, the other one. So either you're in a flip-flop or you're in the casual, you got all this 2 section for you. So you can here host big dinner parties or family dinners. So there is room for everything. Nothing in this unit is random. Even the corners are intentional. Every corner is inspiring something, and I would love to take you best of your home. So you can start actually day here. Your night, ending your night, doesn't matter which time is it, but the view is absolutely stunning. After a long fun day, this store takes you inside of your own heaven. Just look at this. This is enter of your bedroom. This all natural tones, clean layouts, and high ceilings brings you exactly where you want to be. Look at the view. You got this little olive tree, so it gives you the Miami coastal vibe. Right here in front of you, you got your balcony. It's connecting to the living room area, so it's the same view but in different angle. And it's kind of the bedroom that cancel all the plans and not feeling sorry about it. And also here on the corner, you got your own bar. So you can just stay all day here without your leaving your bedroom. And right next to your bedroom, you got your own, of course, bathroom. And things are getting here serious a minute because this is full spa mode on. You got all white onyx marble. So this is expensive as it sounds. And right in front of the window, you got walk-in shower, bathtub, and crazy view that you will spend the rest of your time. And obviously you're gonna bring your bottle of wine and just chill here. The bathroom is very generous, very clean, open layouts, and it's giving you tons of natural light. The idea is, I think, when they are making this bathroom, to make it makeup tutorial for your YouTube channel. And right next to your bathroom, you got your walk-in closet. This is very generous again. You got this leather finishes, and it's kind of huge with the LED lighting. So I think this is for you girls and this one for your man. So basically you can fit everything, your bags, your shoes, whatever your items here, you have a space. Right after living room, you got here the pantry room. This is very nice for a pantry room. So you can collect all your extras here, and you have here a laundry room, so you can iron at the same time here without making a mess, and all your cleanings on the side, so which doesn't bother you. And I would love to take you inside of the extra rooms. So those are actually not the extra filling room, those are a proper bedroom. So all the bedrooms have their own bathroom. Very nice with the black marbles. Atlantic, but your room has amazing view. So either you can make it like a guest bedroom, your child bedroom, or your work office. And also you got here a guest bathroom. It's all black marbles. It's the finish, luxury, elegant, super smooth and clean vibe. And I would love to take you from in the end of the apartment, so which is connecting to another guest bedroom. And this is another guest bedroom. Also you got this white marbles. The finishes are very clean and of course smooth, match with the design of the rest of the home. Atlantic ocean view. Right in front of you, you have your own little, actually I don't want to say balcony, it's kind of like a more terrace. So you have your terrace and the view is connecting to Intracoastal view. So you have both sides panoramic view, and you have your here on barbecue. So you can make your barbecues here with your friends, host, I don't know, family dinners. And of course, this is another thing in this unit I would love to say. This is your private sauna, guys. Look at this. So you got the view, you got the layout, you got the sauna, you have everything that's just for you to stay inside of the unit. Now, living in the estates of Acqualina is not just about what is in the unit, it's about everything you get access to. You got multiple pools, beachside service, a private spa, and fitness center that honestly looks better than most luxurious hotels. There is a golf simulator, movie theater, a bowling alley, full ice skating ring, yeah, in Miami, and even a Wall Street style trading room. So whether you're in a working out, chilling out, or just showing off little, it's all here. And thank you for watching. See you on the next video.